Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and secure at your home. And in today's session, we will be discussing the very important topic of fraction that is known as reciprocal. So, reciprocal is very simple. What we have to do in this, let's take an example 4 upon 5, and we want to write the reciprocal of this number. So what we will be doing in this, that here 4 will come in denominator. As we all can see, 4 is written in numerator, so that will be written in denominator, and 5 will be written in numerator. That means 5 will come here and 4 will come in denominator. So answer is 5 upon 4. That means reciprocal is 5 upon 4. Similarly, if we have 3 upon 7, so we will write it as 7 upon 3. Done. This is the reciprocal. Now suppose if only a whole number is given to us, let's take an example 12. Okay, if 12 is given only, then how will be writing the reciprocal of this? That in denominator we can consider here 1. वैसे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, अगर आप ये केवल आपके समझने के लिए आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आपने सपोज कर लिया है 1 डिनोमिनेटर में, अभी आप कर सकते हैं बहुत आसानी से. 1 विल बी रिटन हेयर एंड 12 विल कम हेयर. सो आंसर इज 1 upon 12. Similarly, now if any number is given, say 16, so you can write the answer as 1 upon 16. Okay, similarly if we have any number 20, so reciprocal is 1 upon 20. Now if a mixed fraction is given, say for example 2 complete 3 upon 5, so first of all we will be converting this into improper fraction, so that we can write it as 5 2 times 10 and 10 plus 3 13 upon 5. So right now this is not the reciprocal. Okay, so reciprocal means reciprocal will be 5 upon 13. So this is the answer now. So whenever any mixed fraction is given, first of all we will be converting that into improper fraction, and then we will write the reciprocal. At last, I would like to say thanks for watching it.